we've had a massive housing price increase in this region and the entire country over the last several years, right? So by taking your eye off the ball, it's nice. You collect that cash flow. You don't have to do anything, but you miss out on a lot of money that could be made. If you were to pick this property up, easy for you to get that rent increased, right? And the tenant probably not going to move out because, the majority of that increase is coming from the government. So this one is even better than it looks. Welcome to the Investment Properties for Sale Show, folks. Staying and selling at or above list. We are going to provide you guys with complete transparency and education. We take you to the video tour of HoltonWiseTV, giving it to you straight. What's up, guys? I got another Section 8 investment deal for you. This is one where there's some money left on the table, okay? 1001 East Crosier. This is in Akron, okay? Now, it's coming to you at a discounted price, right? You don't even got to pay $50K for this thing, guys. That's why, we're investing. We're doing Section 8 deals. That's why Northeast Ohio, Akron, Ohio. That's why places like this are so attractive to investors. And this one is more attractive than it looks, okay? What you have right now, you have a Section 8 tenant, okay? They're paying $750 a month in rent, okay? The tenant themselves, they cover around $300 of that. Section 8 covers the rest, okay? And what is cool about this one is the owner has fallen into a trap I see a lot of non-professional property owners and mom and pop do-it-yourself landlords fall into is you put a tenant in a property at Section 8, you get a decent amount of market rent, and then you kind of set it and forget it, right? That's what's cool about Section 8. Yes, there are negatives to Section 8 investing, right? You're dealing with a tenant base that's risky. You're dealing with lower value assets, things of that nature. But once you get people in there and you get them on the program and Uncle Sam is paying that rent, it's very easy to just kind of get yourself into a nice routine where you don't really have to do anything, right? Which is great. That's kind of what you want. But we've had a massive housing price increase in this region and the entire country over the last several years, right? So by taking your eye off the ball, it's nice. You collect that cash flow. You don't have to do anything, but you miss out on a lot of money that could be made. And if you're not into eating, sleeping, breathing Section 8 real estate all day like we are, like I am, like a lot of you watching the show are, it's very easy to just get into the normal daily lives of doing your normal 9-to-5 job, raising your family, things of that nature. But you do leave money on the table. So his loss, your gain. Right now, you should be able to get at least $10.50 from Section 8, right? My team, we do this all the time, every single year. We go through our portfolio and we make applications through Section 8 to get the rental property rent rate increased. It's not a super complicated process for us. I mean, if you're trying to do it on your own, it might be a little bit burdensome because dealing with the government is always difficult. But we have, systems in place. This is what we do all day, okay? So this is our 9-to-5. So we do eat, sleep, breathe Section 8, right? I love the smell of some Section 8 in the morning, right? So if you were to pick this property up, easy for you to get that rent increased, right? And the tenant probably not going to move out because, the majority of that increase is coming from the government. So this one is even better than it looks. If this is something you're interested in and you want to manage it yourself, cool. If this is something you're interested in, you want to buy it, you want to have my team manage it, have my team file to get your rent increase, things of that nature, cool. Either way, you want to make an offer, send it to us, sales@HoltonWise.com. If you're paying cash, just include a proof of funds. Just send me an email hey, saw the property, this is what I want to offer, I want to pay cash, here's a, screenshot of my bank account, balance, or if you want to finance, totally fine. Just give me your pre-approval letter. If you're out there and you're looking for investment financing, rental property loans, DSCR loans, private loan, hard, any type of financing. If that's the one hurdle that's keeping you from getting started in Section 8 and you need help with that, just let us know, man. Just shoot us the email. I have so many lenders for you guys. I've been doing this a very long time, guys. Sold over $200 million worth of this stuff, right? So sales@HoltonWise.com to submit your offers and stick around because I will get you the uncut version of some of the footage you've been watching so you guys could really get up into the property, really see the nooks and crannies, right? I'll have my team down there. You know, you'll get to like really get a nice zoomed in look at like the furnace, the hot water tank, things of that nature, right? Like the owner, he wasn't sure how much old everything was. He's like, yeah, most of it's all, you know, at least 10 years old to my understanding. Well, you know, just from the footage, I don't know exactly how old that furnace is, but you know, if I, you know, it's at least 10, sure, but I'm sure it's closer to 30 than 10. That hot water tank, though, that doesn't look too old, right? So that might even be a little less than 10, honestly. So that's pretty decent shape there. And then the electric panel that was already upgraded, right? So this is very much a set it and forget it thing. You don't have to do any new repairs. You don't have to do anything to get a new tenant in there. But what you really do want to do is make sure you get that rent raised. Let's have Uncle Sam finally put some money in our pocket instead of the other way around.
If you were, is it time to film?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go do it.
Now I actually did film that.
It's alright. It was meant for the
What's going on here?
Oh.
Which is locked? Which one's locked? Oh.
Forgot to get batteries.
No, I forgot to unlock the...
That'd be kind of funny.
I forgot to unlock the axis of power.
We don't want to unlock the Axis power.
No, I had to.
We want to unlock the Allied power.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, stop.
Hey, watch your stuff.
Don't.
Okay. You said they know you're coming.
Holy shit, that's a huge drain.
It smells dry as cabbage.
I think we were right, though. I think that is just a dormer.
You think what?
That's just an attic.
Yeah, it's tough to tell. I mean, if it is, it's probably very, very short. We can walk all the way around later.
Yeah, we should go in before it's rainy. I'll get the back and the other side of the house once we're done.
Yeah, we'll get muddy shoes after.
So they're ready for us? They're good? They're good if we knock and... Okay, well, let's do that. She gone. I got a hole in my boot and I'm not trying to get it ruined. And I did. Human or other? Other.
Man, they're coming out that door. Oh, that's literally like a swan.
I'm ready for you guys. I just need to...
Yeah, you just gotta make sure you just do.
Okay.
They said they have a dog sequestered in the bathroom, so if you can't get in the bathroom, it is what it is. They'll remove it. I'm assuming they mention it.
Hopefully.
Nobody ever wants to see anything from the bathroom anyway.
No,
These
honestly.
gentlemen are from HoltonWise. If you come take a walk through the house, okay? I'll let them know that you did have a dog in the bathroom.
Alright, here. Since there's a dog, I'll...
Are you sure? Yeah. You want me to be on standby with my connect?
No, I need something to protect myself with.
Oh.
Cobweb clear.
Yeah, he was telling me.
This could almost buy like a single family home. No, where did I see? Oh, Italy. The roads in Italy are offering $1 more than for Americans that are trying to escape Trump.
Oh, I saw that.
So what if we're just like, yeah, I want to escape Trump, just buy all of them for like $500?
So the
500 houses in Italy?
So the crazy thing is, you can buy them for $1, but you have to pledge to put so much into them to renovate them, and it's like $200,000 to renovate.
So it's probably like
It's a scam. It's a government
probably like
scam.
their East Side block that
Yeah.
Cleveland
It's
has,
probably
where
them-
all the houses are like almost collapsed.
It's Italy capitalizing on leftist idiots. Oh, you want to escape Trump? Come over here, sign this.
Well, I took it up to him, and then he was like, you know, it's kind of like, I did that.
This guy looks like a vet.
Seems cool. It says they're moving south, which is why he's like kind of want to unload it. 'Cause we're going like, I didn't say where, but
Oh yeah, they
we're
went
moving
right
out.
around.
I asked him if you got a good price on it. He's like, yeah, this one I only got because my cousin was selling it. Oh, so you got a good price on it.
Yeah, literally, maybe even less. Damn, dude, it's too bad this camera is like $2,000.
I was literally on the drive down here. I was thinking, I can't wait to get all this expensive camera equipment soaking wet.
You should stand on the porch.
I don't want to be weird.
I have it like right here. I'm not recording.
It's weird.
Look in the camera though when you talk.
You mind if they explain it? Okay. Hey, gentlemen.
Yeah.
With the bill? So, explain like why do you guys have to take the
So it's basically just a video walkthrough to show the layout and condition of the property. I just want to make sure it's, you know, there's no holes in the wall, stuff like that. Anything there is wrong with it, they just want to document it. But they basically just want to show what we can get access. So if there's like a bedroom we can't get into, we can skip it. Main thing would be hot water tank, furnace, electric panels, make sure those all working and up to date and stuff like that. It'd be cool if you just check. Okay. Yeah, we can get that, and then I mean anything else you will let us. Yeah, but they just want to get updated stuff though. So if we can get in, just try and get a payment, take the rooms and stuff real quick. That's all it is. Won't take more than like 5 minutes.
It's to avoid having.
I hear you.
People walk through the unit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if
I mean, even though we're doing it, but like it'll happen
anything
once.
else you want to let us stay at this point, I mean, let us say if you want some bedroom or whatever. You cool with that? Yeah, and then I got you. Yeah, no, this is more to get like the general condition and layout.
yeah.
For sure.
No worries.
There.
Yeah, no, it's just for the general layout and condition. Okay. You cool with that then?
There.
Basement?
Why do you want to know that? I mean,
We're gonna get at least the basement, hot water tank, furnace, electric panels, and then, yeah, anything else you're cool with them just walking in? We'll be quick about it too. I'm not even gonna come in and get floors all wet.
Yeah, basement's right here, right?
Yeah.
walk in and look through it once, or you can have 100
Well, I mean, that's
Alright, there we go. Fuse box. And then hot water tank. Furnace and everything back here. Excuse me, I don't want to get you. Yeah, I got you. Come on, some here. Oh shit, the hot water tank's all back here. Alright. Put my face right in the spider web. Alright.
Only real things like, cause I can tell, it's like only other thing that y'all really
know, like that's really a problem besides like that driveway and the other stuff y'all see out there.
Yeah.
That room upstairs, everything around it is cool.
Okay.
But the attic, it's an attic you can't get to.
Yeah, I thought that from the outside. It looked like you could. You can obviously tell
No
there's
wonder
supposed to be
they
a
got rid of
staircase there.
At one point, yeah.
All right. All right.
No, we can.
Okay. I can't see because my viewfinder's all dirty. All right. Alrighty. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, there was a seam there at one point. Runs all the way across. All right.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.